How to place a single screw-retained restoration on X-base for Axiom BL implants with straight channel. Hello, my name is Audrey. I'm a training manager at campus Anthogyr. In this short video, I will show how to place a single screw-retained restoration on X-base for BL implants with straight channel using the hexagonal instruments. Axiom X-base is available in 3 emergence profiles, 3 gingival heights and 2 coronary heights. Your dental technician will have the choice to select the adequate base for your restoration. Besides, there is a clear laser marking on the tree lobe of the base to easily identify the gingival height. Ready? Let's go! 1. Check the screw. 2. Place the tooth. 'You're done! Easy, don't you think? I hope you liked this video and I wish to see you soon for another campus video tutorial.